Let's check my fridge. Come with me. Egg. We have beef steak. How can I say no? Carrot, garlic. Let's check the freezer. Okay, my favorite Oriental bread. Come with me. Okay. Green peas. Onion. Korean curry powder. Yes. Panko breadcrumbs. Beef steak. We're gonna smash it. Season it with salt and pepper. Flour, egg, bread. Onion, carrots, garlic, peas. Water, Korean curry powder. Check this out. Fried Oriental bread, curry sauce, fried beef, more sauce on top, and we complete it. Oh